On November 1, 2019, founded by Michael Broughton and Ayush Jain, Purge is completely free to use so more people can access the financial health they deserve. That's correct. Today's video is all about the news Purge credit reviews in the United States. But before moving further, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Do hit the bell icon for many more informative videos. Purge Use Plaid's API. It's the same service you use to connect your bank account to apps like Venmo and Accounts. So rest assured your account information will be safe and secure. Purge CEO Michael Broughton and Ayush Jain is backed by some of the world's most notable investors like Citi, SoftBank, Backstage Capital, Village Capital, etc. Purge Credit promises to help you build your credit by taking things like on-time rent payments and turning them into credit-worthy data. And soon you'll be able to do this with the subscription payments. So yes, paying for things like Spotify and Netflix each month will help you build your credit. Purge is a mobile app that allows users to build their credit score using non-traditional data points such as rent, Netflix, utilities, and other recurring payments. They do this by furnishing on-time payments from their users to the US credit bureaus. This data can be backlogged up to 2 years, allowing you to see a significant boost in their credit score in under 30 days. This is much faster than the 6 to 8 months it takes to build your credit using a credit card or loan. A product like Purge has so much potential to break millions of Americans out of financial disparity and empower them with the knowledge to remain in control of their finances. So, in compliance with US regulations, Purge requires identity verification at sign up, including submission of photo ID or other documents as needed. So, stay connected and let people know you're following Purge on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Join the conversation, ask questions, and get answers. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. We give the latest updates, reviews, and news on every trending topic. So get started with like, share, and subscribe our channel for the latest updates. Do not forget to hit the bell icon for many more informative videos. Until then, enjoy the service, be informed, and be safe. Have a good day.